Hello, a new day, and we are here just at the entry gates of the old town. This is going to be an exciting adventure because all you Game of Thrones fans, we are going to take you to those wonderful spots.
We are exploring ourselves. We've got a map and we're going to explore and find out all those locations.
You can
We've
see all
made
these
some
numbers.
notes.
It's going to be very, very challenging to find these spots, but we'll try and cover as much as we can.
And that was the cable car that we went yesterday, right on top. It was pretty dark, so we couldn't see very clearly, but this is where we went, right on top there.
Yeah, it had a beautiful view from the top, and right now we'll be in the center of action. So let's continue. Yeah, let's go.
We are here for the entrance for the wall number 2 and number 26.
Yeah.
But I mean, now it's morning, but it's really hot, and it's a lot of stairs. 1,080 stairs to walk around. You understand?
Wow. Okay.
So with the kids, maybe it's not the best solution, but wall, so you can maybe do the route like inside the old town to walk on the shopping street to the main street.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the Pile Gate.
Yes, some scenes from Game of Thrones happen right on this spot where we are standing.
This is the place where King Joffrey gets attacked by angry mobs and they tell him,
Ah.
kill him.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around. Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
You are the point master.
Master or what, I don't know.
Anu is struggling with the map, and I know it is very, very challenging.
So we've marked some points here, but I think this is some. We walk straight ahead. We also reach the stairs, the walk of shame.
Where is it? Where is it?
I hope we find it correctly. I don't know about that. I'm just trying to figure out this map.
It's difficult to take care of the map and the cap together. Yeah.
Yeah,
you're
we'll
walk-
walk on. I think this is the blue line that we're following as well.
Okay, show me. So the blue line is the shortest route to cover the tour in 30 minutes.
Get it done. I'm around.
So Anu, is this the walk of shame?
Might be shaken but
No.
not stirred.
And this is the harbor.
Just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes. Tables turn, you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now.
Is it showing in the map and the walk of shame?
It's a little bit in front, Jesuit staircase.
Okay, then let's go in front.
I don't know where, but this place is so confusing.
You don't belong.
This is where we came from. Hello.
There is a whole market out over here.
Yeah, some fruit market and some products as well.
And the street looks amazing.
Yeah, narrow streets. Ah, it's here.
Ah, yeah, found it.
Got it.
Finally.
right.
going now?
We are going to Little Fingers Brothel, it's called as Ethnographic Museum, but it was used as the brothel of Little Finger.
Game of Thrones was the last nail in our coffin.
Oh, is it?
It was crowded before, and after that
It's crazy.
this is the main street. 2019. This is the main street. 2020.
Oh, that's a little. Oops, sorry, you're up.
This is
2000
because of COVID?
Yes.
Oh my.
And this, I will show you something. This is entrance to the city walls. 2014.
Oh my
These people
God.
want to get in. These people want
This
to get
is-
out.
Oh my God.
Then to move for an hour.
This is like a war.
You said you were born over here.
I was going to the house. Straight in my window.
So,
Yeah.
so Napoleon built the fort, right?
No. Napoleon ruined Dubrovnik.
It's for a lot of shootings, a movie.
Game of Thrones, Robin Hood,
Robin Hood.
Star Wars.
Star
When I
Wars.
was a kid, he was Superman. Yeah.
That's so amazing. And your name is?
Dado. I'm Dado.
Dado. Okay.
So when you come in Dubrovnik, you just ask for Dado.
Your
Oh,
favorite.
popular.
Find someone who is from the old town, he will tell
We'll
you.
put it in our vlog as well. So, you know. Okay, Anu. I think the Indian GPS is much better because we get a lot of more history.
Information, yeah.
And directly from the people out over here. We would suggest that you don't need a guide. You can just walk around this place by yourself, and it's very
get lost in
self-explanatory. Yeah, you can get lost over here because even getting lost over here is fun. Like right now, we're still trying to figure out where is this place. Let's. Okay,
So
just
we
a
just walk
reminder.
straight.
Where are we going? What are we going to look at? The keep.
Eek, see this? I kept the map.
Bird poo.
For a second, I kept it down.
Here the birds are very good aiming skills.
See, this is the museum.
Okay, so here's the
Ethnographic
museum.
museum.
Little Fingers Brothel.
Wow, look at the view from here.
Yeah, you can see the wall.
That's the wall. You have like how many stairs? 1,500
1,500 stairs all around,
all around.
and this is one part of it which goes high. It's a picture perfect landscape out over here. Really beautiful with the picturesque mountain in the background, adorning this beautiful city.
Yeah. Narrow streets everywhere.
Yeah.
Now narrow climb basically. There's stairs everywhere.
I'm just wondering how the postman will be coming to deliver postal
That
parcels.
even I don't know. Okay, it ends here. There's
See,
nothing
there's a
more.
post box.
Is
His
it her?
hand
Is it
and
the
brain
same?
weight.
This we get the best coffee. You want to take a coffee?
Hello. Well, the aroma is so wonderful. What is it?
Carob. Carob is a substitute for the chocolate, you know.
Aha. And that's the very famous coffee and muffin.
Nice.
Really nice
Thank
meeting you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Both-
Have a good day.
Have a good night. You too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So you go down the Jesuit staircase. You go straight is the
This
church.
coffee is so good.
Yeah, it's very nice coffee.
Okay, hi. I see that you're struggling with your keys. Is this your Airbnb location? Yes. Wow, what a beautiful place. This is right in the center and in the old town. And did you book it from Airbnb itself? Yes. And which part of the world are you all from?
France.
From France. Wow, amazing. And did you manage any luck with this key?
We are waiting for the man to welcome us.
Maybe you have to ring the church bells.
Yes.
But all the best. Hopefully you get in. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
The milkshake also.
Make milkshake. Amazing, Myra. Yeah, good. we managed to get the best muffin in town.